Hi friends, this is Shanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I thought because it's the party season, I'm going to show you how you can go all glitter. Well, when I'm saying glitter makeup, I do not mean the art and craft style of makeup which you must have seen already. Because sticking so many glittery stuff on your eyes or around your face is not exactly a good idea. In fact, these particles can fall into your eyes and cause more damage. So today I'm going to show you something which is safer and more classy, a makeup that you can actually try out and wear in your regular life. So here it is. So I have this interesting palette of colors to choose from, and for the base I'm going to choose a color which is lighter in shade with a shimmer in it. For the other eyes, I'm going to use this brush. So taking the same color, I'm going to put it on the other eyelid. Next, I would like to rim the outline of the eyes with another color which is a little more glittery. So I'm taking the angular brush because this gives more definition, and I'm going to do the same. So here is another shade of brown which has a little bit of glitter in it. Now for the eyebrows also, I'm going to use this shade of brown which has a hint of glitter in it. Now for the cheeks, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. So I have a flat brush with which I'm going to take a blush on, again with a hint of glitter in it. I already have some lip color on my lips, but I want to add a little bit of glittery finish to it. So if I want, I can go for a lip gloss, or if I want, I can dab a little bit of highlighter or eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm choosing this golden to do the same. Also, I would like to pat myself with a shimmery powder. So I've taken the compact which has a little bit of glitter on it. For the inner corners of the eyes, you can use a silver pencil. Now I will show you how you can upgrade this same day look and make it more glittery and glamorous for the evening. So I have selected a shade of blue with a hint of glitter on it, and I'm going to use the brush to apply it on top of the color which is already there on my eyelids. Now I would suggest you can use your fingers to apply a little bit of shimmery highlighter on your brow bone. So white is a good color for the contrast. In fact, you can use the same highlighter or white around your face as well. There are glittery eyeliners which you can apply, and of course there are mascaras which also have a hint of shimmer on it. So you can try them all. So you saw how easy it is to actually glam up your day look into an evening one by adding more colors to your eyes. I hope you will try it out and let me know in the comments below what compliments you got for the same. Also, if you like this video and do try the look, do give me a big thumbs up for it and subscribe for more. Thank you.